If you keep yourself strong and then you take your medicine and then you hear what we are saying, you are going to live long. I'm Edith Banda. I'm a volunteer working with the 19. The main diseases here is HIV, stroke, AIDS, and then TB. We give them more support. So even though you are sick, they know you are there. When I visit my patients, at first we see them, they are a bit strong, and then they are coming down. I feel very bad. Yeah, I feel as if it is me who is suffering too with her. Yeah. The biggest problem with our compound, people who are breadwinners, because they can't go now to work anymore. Now it's a big problem for them to find food and school fees. Yeah, they are happy when they see me. Like Catherine, when I'm here, she's always cheerful with me. Yeah, we laugh. It seems as if it is me, we are suffering together.